Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to make these lanterns in the form of lotus flowers for tea lights. Let's get started. Cut out all the details of my template. Bend all the details of the petals along the fold lines. There are 3 base pieces for the 3 layers of petals. Your task is to glue all the petals of each layer to the corresponding base. In this video, to save time, every time I need to glue the second part of the petal to the base, I switch my attention to another group of petals to allow the glue to dry better. The bottom edges of the petals should match when gluing. Now glue all the pieces together so that the circle and triangle marks in the center of each base match up. If you wish, you can assemble the pistil and stamens. Bend the pistil detail along the fold lines. Glue the bottom parts of the pistil together. Wrap the stamens around the pistil and secure them with glue at the end. You can slightly twist the stamens with scissors. Put the pistil and stamens in lotus. Or put a candle inside to make a lantern out of the flower. Thank you for your attention.